Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how I edit my videos by using this specific app. I'm going to give you a tutorial of the app. No, I'm not sponsored by it, but I'm just going to do it in case anyone knows or anyone cares. Now you go to the App Store. It's a mobile thing, and it's also a Windows 10, I believe. So you go up here, do iMovie. You let it wait for it to load, and then you download it, which I obviously did. Click opened, and then, okay, I've made a lot, and for some reason I haven't deleted them. No, let's not see that. Okay, thank you. Okay, anyways, I've made a bunch of videos. They do save, so what you want to do to create a movie, you click, a video, click movie. Now you've got all your clips and stuff, so I'm just, okay, my outro, I'll do. So you click on it, so pretend I click on it. If you want to turn the volume down, click on it. There's going to be a couple things on the bottom here, and one of them is volume. You can turn it down, so 500. Okay, it sounds awful because of the quality. Mute. There we go. 100's the normal it gives you, which is pretty good in my opinion. You can add text to it, which any type of text, moving text. You can just play around with that. Now here, I don't want that here right now. Okay. Thank you. Okay, you can split. So if you don't want that out, so right now it sounds like that. I'm gonna move it. Yeah, it's basically what that is. You can move it faster. That's how I do. But or whatever. Like so, it sounds like. Or and you can do it slower. So I'll show you. Kind of what I did with my remix. Basically what it is. That's how I do that, basically. Freeze. I've actually never tried that. Oh, so basically just freezes. So if you want to have this place specifically freeze, you could do the split, which is the scissors right there. If you want one little part frozen. I should use that in my videos. Oh, by the way, if you click detach, which is the scissors one, it puts off the audio. So if you want to just, mess around with the audio section, you can. And then there's an undo button right there to undo anything you mess up. You can duplicate, so yeah, there's that. Now these little lines, you might be wondering what this is. Okay, so you exit out. Nothing is clicked. You click at the bottom here. You click any of these. So which one looks nice for a video? You could do that. Click one of the lines. They have to be at least like a couple, I don't know how much seconds long again, but a couple seconds long, so it'll be kind of a cool thing. Normally, if the video that I'm doing is bigger, then I could use the dissolve and stuff. So you can add a fade like that, which I kind of like. So if you want to change, the point of this here is for the theme. Theme different, which I think is kind of cool. But if you're just a starter editor, this is a good app, in my opinion. I didn't even know you could freeze. I never bothered with that. So it's actually, that's really nice, actually. That's really cool. Don't be surprised that audio bad. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, I can't really think of anything. You can change the filters, so basically, yeah. So you go scissors, all this basically, and you have a bunch of different filters, and I think the theme affects some of them, I believe. Not sure. Yeah, you can I already said you can duplicate. You can obviously delete. Just click it. Scissors, delete. Oops, I said split. Oops. Add. Reset. I don't know what those do. I don't think they have a purpose. But it's a very... Oh, yeah, you can zoom in by clicking on it. And then, so on the right-hand corner right here, there's a magnifying glass. You pinch to zoom, or you just use the scroll thing if you're on a computer to do it. So, like, it'll be like this. But this is not a good video. I don't know why out of all the videos I chose from my gallery, I chose my outro. Oh, whatever. I might be getting an intro eventually. And if you also want to add other stuff, okay, I'm not even close to being done. You click this plus bar right here. Moments, photos and videos and stuff you could add. Downloads that are not downloaded, you could use too. Photos, all that. You can add audio. iMovie gives you a lot of audio. Like that. Oh, yeah, let's, no. The one that I like the most, I like that one. You all know what that is. You can import some. Yeah, let's not get the copyright. Now my music, it's Apple Music. I think whatever musics you have on Windows is that. Imported. I can make a video on how to import music. I'll do that. That's pretty easy. I don't want to do it now. Soundtracks, they give you a crap ton of soundtracks you can choose from. Something I'd like to use is this. This, I don't know, it's bad, but I use it in some videos. I think you probably heard this. I don't really use soundtracks. I normally use, I don't use iMovie soundtracks, like I said, but I do use this one. This is my favorite. If I make a video where I don't talk, then I use this music. I don't know, I think it's pretty good. Thank you guys for they have categories. There's a lot. Yeah, so there's that. The musics are not copyright, but be careful. Eventually they might be copyright. They might give you a strike, but then you can just say that it's not copyright. I don't know. I don't want that. But yeah, that's it. If you want to add new things, click videos. Recently added. I don't even know what I just added. I don't know. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And smash subscribe and like. And by the way, you guys are not subscribed. There's a bunch of you that are not subscribed. If I were you better do it. People who subscribe and comment down below who said I subscribed will get a free cookie. Yeah, I said it, and I will reply to your comments. I will reply to everyone's comments or heart it. I'll do something to your comment. I'll delete it if it's stupid, but whatever. Subscribe right now. If you do, you get a free cookie, and then you will, I don't know, be happy for the rest of your life. And if you don't subscribe, you don't get a cookie. You want that cookie, right? If you're allergic, then you'll get cake. I don't know. I don't care. You'll get food that you like. Okay? Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.